Hey peeps, I welcome you all. If you're new here, let me introduce myself first. I'm Srishti. In today's video, I'm sharing my morning routine. Let me be honest, I'm not really a morning person and my mornings aren't always this perfect. Also, I don't follow a super strict schedule, but I try to start my day in a way that it sets me up for productivity. So, if you're ready, let's dive into my morning routine.
Pasadena in July.
So after freshing up, I took shower and did my skincare, just the usual, nothing too fancy. Then I went to kitchen to make my breakfast. I made oats without milk and had black tea without sugar. I've been avoiding milk in the morning because I feel it has its own benefits. But unfortunately, my mom did something that she shouldn't be doing. My mom brought me moong dal ka halwa, and of course, I couldn't say no to that because I loved that. It was warm and smelled amazing. After breakfast, I felt like my desk had gotten a little messy, so I took some time to organize it. I don't know why, but a clean space just makes me feel more focused. After doing that, I watched a little bit vlog of Brianna Quinn. She's literally the productivity queen. I love how aesthetic yet realistic her routines are. After that, I got into my study mode. I started revising biology because I have noticed that when I revise something in the morning, it stays in my memory for a longer time. There's just something about the early hours that makes learning more effective. Now I'm gonna wear my blue cut glasses because I'm also watching a lecture. I have realized that wearing blue cut glasses really helps a lot, especially as a student who spend a lot of time at screens. Now let's study.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. Did it?
Hello. Hello, Crow.
If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anush Patel, an MBBS intern at GMC Nagpur, and in this video I'll be telling you the top 10 mistakes that you should absolutely avoid while preparing for NEET in the last few days. From the day that I release this video is going to be 100 days to your examination, but it does not matter 100 or 50 or 60 or these 10 mistakes can make or break your preparation. I've personally made a lot of these mistakes for several examinations which I've prepared in my life, and I personally feel like you should not make them. I'm not going to be giving you the basic things like सिर्फ NCERT पढ़ो या दोस्तों के साथ बाहर मत घूमने जाओ और time waste मत करो. Everybody knows that, everybody does not do that. I'm going to be giving you extremely specific high yield things which you should be absolutely avoiding in as many questions as possible. Even questions from 1999 are repeated nowadays. They're never going to repeat exactly word by word, however they might.
Why are you sitting here all alone? Listen to the same sad song a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I